There you go. Okay, my turn. Flip over your nose. Okay, put your head that way. Look that way.
Hi, Mary Lou. It's Patrice calling from Lou's Family Chiropractic.
Okay,
Just
we'll
wanted
leave
to
that
let
over
you know
there.
that I apologize for that early payment stop. So I adjusted your visit and I don't have any problems with this on the